So in today's video, I'll be replacing my armrest for my office chair. And this is the old one. And I'll be replacing it with a new one. The only thing you have to really know before you start is you need to figure out how long the distance of these two screws are. For mine, it's about 4 inches. And I'll show you how I got that. So I'll be replacing it with this armrest right here. This is about 4 inches from here to there. So I'll be replacing it with this. It's a chair. The way you measure the screw length is like this. You get a ruler like this and you measure from here to there. So that's roughly 4 inches, as you can see. That's how you find out. So the way I'll be replacing it would be by removing the screws that are on here. There's one in there, there's one in there. I'll be removing those two and replacing it with the new one. The one used the Phillips. I need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove that. And now that's removed. I'm going to replace that with the new one. Take out the old screws and replace it with the new ones, which will be these right here. And these are hex screws. This kit does come with a hex screwdriver, which is right here. So I'll be replacing it with the new one. Just putting it in here like that and aligning it with the screw. I think the easier way to get it in is by putting it up vertically. There's the thing, I think it just goes one way. It goes like that. This is the right side of the chair. So I gotta align it with the screw basically and put it in. Like underneath, I just gotta align it. So you should just get it in with your hands first and then use the Allen wrench or hex wrench later. I got it in, but it's not tight, so I got to tighten it. So the way I tighten it is, I got it in just with my hands, with my fingers, and just tightened it manually. But now I have to tighten it with the hex screwdriver. It's a lot harder to do with the camera, but it's not that hard if you do it without the camera. You know what, I'm going to turn it over. Maybe that'll be easier for me to show you on the camera. Yeah, just like that. That's a little bit easier for me. I have to turn it clockwise like that to tighten it. Again, make sure it's on there nice and tight, but don't overdo it. Okay, that's good. So the next part, get in a clockwise direction. Like that, and then get it back again. Okay, now it's on nice and tight. Now I just replace both of them with those. The old one's here, and the other one was all messed up. So now I got a good pair. So that's how you replace an office chair arm rest. These things do wear out with time. This chair is about, I think I bought it in 2003, so that makes it almost 21 years. I had this chair for 21 years. I didn't want to replace the chair because the chair's fine, but and I just needed to replace the armrest, and now it's all good. Thanks for watching.